guys, this is Satoshebo Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook on Touchable Mama page. You can also see me on Touchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
You, Iwe Guname, come here. You want to insult me? You see me so, if I curse you, not be juju, cause if I curse you, wallah, it will take time, but it go reach your body. Now, my house a day when you call me. Now you call me. If you call blogger, I did it. Motivational speaker, I did it. Content creator, I did it. So there is nothing like minus Lolo. No. When you were saying it, you would have been specific about it that minus Lolo. So let me replay your word of mouth for you. So that if you want to insult me, by the time I'll carry my Bible, slap you. If I use my Bible, slap you, you go know say your problem is just the starts. And you know one carry Lolo joiner. Because if you carry Lolo joiner now 20 years of sorrow, now you will get. Do I make myself clear? If you try now this you came here and you did. I'll carry those your eye. I'll put them for back. I'll turn down your big nose to your eye. If you try don't be mouth. You see the problem just in your body, so just off a catch one like that. Hold up your body there. Not try They crazy finish, they kill you. See finish, they kill you. If at 45 years you go follow, they lick your mate nyash, they lose the marriage where you they manage. And my body won't couple. Look here! If you try that nonsense with me, if you try with me, you go see camera, you go they run. Go ask a better, go tell you. Ask the craze out of your own stupidity, you lost your marriage. Should I give a letter with Should I give one? Who you want give water? The water day your body at this junction. You know, go face and for mirror. Look mirror. What I tell you yesterday, I say stand on top of mirror, put your two leg. May you see how you look like. She said, "I read the secret the book format." They mad, they idiots. You lose your marriage for woman where he rather buy clothes for man than buy for him pikin. Woman where open man tell you say him buy as we no buy say they favor man when put for us. Now the woman fair run come out, come they tell the word say you and husband build us. Woman where carry money, they renovate mother-in-law house for village. Make they see take picture. Then they come they help you, they announce. How you and your husband tell you that they don't put your name. Woman where your husband they wear clothes remain give you only son. Then they help you announce say your husband a bad person. You must be stupid in your head. What did I talk? I say you stupid. You want to use me to it? And they say you look my eye way. You don't know say your sorrow just the starts. Because I go so wash you for this UK. In fact, if you reach police station, you will go back. They ask you what you define. You say nothing. No try. What did I talk? I say no try. Go ask. Go ask. If they focus on a better platform, not make you they see who they cry for their rubbish will come out for their mouth. Go ask. They mad. First and foremost, may I rewind your brain. Because sometimes if I too overplay with you now or try to ignore una nonsense, and they make all this to finish, they come. But for this your own, if you want try, you wish say you don't near me. I tell you. Well, let me replay the words of your mouth for you.
So they can celebrate. And
listen.
those of you that want to create content,
listen.
When you are creating content, be careful. Because if you say anything, I will lay a curse on you.
Just the type where I go lay on you when you talk to me anyhow. Because I don't near you. See, now you carry your frustrated self, put for front of camera. You get? If you talk to me anyhow, that's what me say I'll carry my Bible, I'll lay curse on you. Not only you, every living thing in your house, they will collect. Go ask. If you try not be everybody they insult me while they take them. They get me. Now you carry yourself, give us. You see now you bring yourself. I don't even know you before. I don't know your platform. I don't even know whether you they exist. I only know so you go find trouble. Now that they deal with you, finish. Now I pass. Don't be every person they wasting time, they look. So you know reach for me to look. Now I pass. Now you come the open mouth. So you want to talk to me, this Lolo. Me. Oh God. If they tell everybody they insult me and they let them go ask again. Guess what be saying? I'll use the tedu. And they use something they do to pick. See, like this. Very difficult. Like this. If I not do one like that, like this, and the liver. You see, if I not do you like that, I not leave you. Go as. You see, like that. If I not do you like that, I not leave you. That's why they do the one where they insult me. I mean, if you not near me, I not near you. No. If you not near me, I not near you. But if you near me, when I know even near you, now what you will get from man and be that. You put Martin, I will lay cause. You will lay cause.
Cause on you. You don't want the cause of an innocent person upon your life and your family. Create your content and be careful. Thank you all as you share. Please help me tag bloggers.
You say wait.
This is a true life story. And
wait, what did she say?
And
please type what she say.
Thank you all as you share. Please help me tag bloggers. This is a true life story, and I'm not joking.
Listen to yourself.
And be careful. Thank you all as you share. Please help me tag bloggers.
You see where I go you. I will squeeze every living thing. Don't be only you. Every living thing in your house, including spider and ants. I will squeeze them. Because now you use your mouth to call me. Help me share and tag bloggers. You call bloggers, I did it. You call motivational speaker, I did it. You call anyone where you call. I am present. It's my job. Yes, so it's my job. It is my job. Some of those people have mental illness. I'm sure they do, my dear. I'm sure they do. So before you open your mouth, they insult me. Since the man where you marry don't dump you, say you are a shameless woman. You don't have shame. You don't have self-worth. You don't have self-respect. He can no longer take it. Now your papa and your mama, now you want come bring, come. Your choice. Your choice. So no trying. You dey hear me so? No just trying. Nah, I can call her. I can call her. You can call me Loleke. Loleke is not a new name. If somebody call me Loleke, it's supposed to verse me. Like for waiting now. That's national anthem. No, they call national anthem. It's national anthem. Only me Loleke, I don't get it, they do. But you don't want to look for my trouble past like that. Like this video for me, guys. Like, don't just watch. Please, like. For me to hear, I am going to, let me go and see. I am going to come and...
Let it come and carry.
See this one.
And carry.
See.
The story of how...
No, listen.
Who are just commenting like... They did not hear what she said. She never said social media destroy our home. She used a dramatic expression to say...
It's English, your mate. She used dramatic expression to say what? In a subtle voice, she said it. Social media spoil my marriage. There is nothing dramatic in it. She didn't use any dramatic, what they call her. Maybe she forgot all she said on the video. Oh, I guess so. Oh, man, this watch phone is there. You understand? She didn't remember. They have told her, go and catch Loleke. Loleke have analyzed the video, so she want to run and come and catch Loleke. If you near me, you see that your husband will not feel beat you, put you in position. May you contract me. Yeah, boy. You will when you or receive a automatic reduction. You will when you can receive. Nonsensical idiot. Look at this one. Don't throw away your husband. They found we want to put up for everybody. Me, not there with me for us. As they do rich. They no fit enter. The so-called people where you say now they spoil your marriage. The one where they do me, even on my wedding day, for this my wedding day where they see here, so see, they see and so the one where one do me. One of my mommy And so water they come up for here. I go call say, why you do like that now? How much more? They never talk to you, they claim. If your marriage don't spoil before, make it clear. Say it don't spoil. But let me tell you, for real, 100%, what is spoil the marriage now? The person where you listen to last. First, let me show you proof of why you listen to the wrong person. First and foremost, we all saw it here. Let me check if I can find the picture and show you. Now let go better. Woman will be say, if they take, look at, you don't do this type for your husband. Your husband wear suit, remain, give pikin. Now the woman will talk to you, say your husband no good, now be this. Now the woman will talk to you, say your husband no good. Now in pikin, only son, now be this. Papa wear suit, remain, give pikin. Now the person where you will talk to you, where you finally throw away your marriage, now be that. I say make I show you. Second, wait, I come. Second, before we even go
destroy.
Wait, shut up there. May I go bring another one for you? So that you go know, say, before you talk to me, in fact, you need to put that your heads together. Because like I said, not me the cause of your problem. Your problem is right there staring at you in the face, associated with a useless person who made you give up on your marriage when you were not supposed to. See, oh yeah, listen. Listen.
See my money take back cash. You see, and now he want to join.
Who want to enjoy?
See, and now he want to join. Now he go to enjoy.
You see, listen.
At the end of the day, Shebi as I use and buy cash and so, you know favor that they go.
He don't favor in your husband, but now he run comment, contact your word. How you build one house? Wait. You build one house with man, you build two houses with man, you build 3 houses. Oh, yeah,
Why should I hide it?
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Things have finally fall apart.
Oh yeah.
Everybody is calling. You see, I've done it as I time when they know that. I want everybody to know about it. I'm not hiding it because the people live in UK, they know my story.
Oh really?
Why should I hide it?
Okay.
Things have finally fall apart. Before he go use money back, then I give a jenna a baby when
no. But yeah, no do not be a no joker, no more packet can ye me. Egbe me wenye. Egbe me wenye or ye pada here. At this time before him be they do, he don't tire. But he not tire. She have resorted now to buying clothes for Amure Vien instead for her own son. Egbema wenye. If you look my side, it might be reducing way unwenge Lolo atime. Unatie bombe beyond imana reducing way ni unwenge me. Uma land in a mental hospital unwenge mo weka. Damwege. If na me tell you me throw away your marriage, you can't tell me that time. You don't throw away your marriage finish for woman where they buy clothes, where they collect, where they shamelessly they collect donation, they feed amure vien in no bog bego bear when no mu yo wa do gume gume ya gbera igbijwe no gune ni aka we ni is a small one or me ya admit we damoire batry iwe no batry ya tama we agbo ya not ebo me e overlook. You are stupid. Idiot fellow. See, she they buy clothes for Amure Vien. They beg money. According to the donation, they take buy more to give up. How much be asked for Nigeria? Now they tell people say, now so you buy as one, you buy now you don't tire.
I went a boy, I went a boy with a boy.
Oh.
You know?
Did you tell us this one by yourself? But no. You're so called now the one where I choose. You cannot choose a friend from me. You're now. Buka na gwelele ya na might say social media officially. She's the one now announcing you. She's the one now announcing you. She's the one now announcing you now to the whole world. She's the one now announcing you now to the whole world that this is your life now. But you didn't say this. You just said it to social media destroy my marriage. That was what you say. You understand? You just told us that social media spoil your marriage, but she is the one now coming to tell the whole world. Erubowa with other for where one, Erubowa with other for where two, she's the one announcing you now. I told you. When his official demand no longer come to say, oh baby, I have anything to shop, anything to leak. What when you were? They better when you had a bomb. When you are away. Idiot.